Step into a student life filled with colorful vibes, rustic charm, and modern functionality at the Newbern, Kansas City, offering classy studios and charming 1- and 2-bedroom apartments decked with air conditioning for hot summer days, sleek wood laminate floors, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. This property has got all your needs covered. With private rooms and bathrooms, you can enjoy top-notch privacy, breeze through laundry with the on-site facilities, then chill with friends in the resident lounge. For peak convenience, there's an elevator, bike storage, parking, and public area Wi-Fi. Get your daily dose of cardio at the top-notch fitness center, or dive into the sparkling pool for a splash or some lengthy laps. Drive to class in style with Pinnacle Career Institute, just a few minutes away. Your adventures around the city are made seamless with buses from On Armour at Cherry eastbound and westbound stops. Or hop on the tram from Armour, 35th and Main Street Station. So, don't wait. Secure your spot at the Newbern, Kansas City now with amberstudent.com.